Welcome. If you're looking to protect your privacy and stop the X app from accessing your photos and videos, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to prevent X from reaching your personal media. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you manage everything about your device, including which apps can access your private data. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it's called App Management depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list until you find the X app. Once you spot it, tap on X to open its settings page. Here, you'll see all the options for managing how X interacts with your device. Look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This menu controls what the X app can access, like your location, camera, microphone, and of course, your photos and videos. Find the option labeled Photos and Videos, or it might be called Files and Media on some devices. Tap on it to open the access settings. Finally, select Don't Allow. This will immediately block the X app from accessing any photos or videos stored on your device. With this one change, you've taken a big step in securing your personal media from unwanted access. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the X app without worrying about your private photos and videos being accessed without your permission. Remember, you can always return to these settings if you ever want to change your preferences in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who care about their privacy too. Stay safe and in control of your digital life.